today is gonna be a Grom build day or rebuild day. I don't know, we're just gonna put this back together. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Don't mind the eyes, it's just really bright. Got a whole bunch of parts from Amazon and eBay, and also the new key that I got cut in attempts to get the ignition working and the trunk lock working. So supposedly this key is gonna work for everything. I do not know. What I do remember was that the locksmith that I was talking to said that the key works for the trunk lock, which it does. I can see that now. But the key does not work for the cylinder, and I don't know, this is the first time I'm testing it. Oh yeah, it does not work for the key cylinder at all. It's kind of a shame, but I bought a whole new lock set just in case from eBay that was labeled Honda genuine parts. Key lock set for the Grom. I'll put a link below for that, and bought a battery for it too, and I'll put a link below for that one when I show you guys that one. But yeah, probably gonna get the new lock installed and then get the new battery installed and assemble it back together and get it running today, hopefully. It's really nice out and I want to get it done before the sun goes down. Alright, we got Pops out here. What's up, Pops? Just picking up stuff and running away with it? Sure. We're gonna
for your work.
First attempt to see if this key works for the gas tank, because that's gonna be a game changer or not. Apparently does not work quite well. I don't know if we can get in there to see it. It's kind of corroded in there, so I'm gonna hope WD-40 might fix this. Stick some WD-40 in here and just let that settle, and then we'll test out the key there. But in the meantime, or this might work. I feel like this is a very special key, guys, for the gas tank. I don't know. It should be the same key technically, but I feel like there's something missing to it. I don't know. We'll see. Doesn't quite work. Alright, so first we're gonna unbox the Honda key lock set. That looks fine. Let's see what this looks like. So I ordered this off of eBay. Even though it came off eBay, it does say genuine. Honda genuine parts. And it may be real, it might be OEM, it might not be, only because I don't know, you guys can't really see, but it's two types of tape used here. So one's like the brown packaging tape. This is brown packaging tape, and this one is also this clear tape on top, so it may not be original parts, but at the moment I don't really care. It's gonna work. Actually, it looks pretty good. Looks pretty real. Alright, so let's pop this off and let's see what we got. Alright, so this looks like we have the ignition switch here. There's the ignition switch. There's the trunk lock switch, or the trunk latch? Seat lock. Whoops. And this is the ignition one. It looks like
there's a Honda emblem up on it.
Yeah.
So be legit careful.
I don't know. We'll see. I'm gonna turn this key. Okay. So comparing the two side by side, it looks almost identical. I don't see any clear differences between the two locks. This actually might be a genuine Honda part. The back looks identical. Plugs look identical. Even the color-coded wires look identical. Maybe it is actually OEM. And this key, of course, works for this setup. Ignition turns nicely. And then this is the old trunk lock. Trunk lock. I keep saying trunk lock. I meant seat lock. This is the new seat lock. Battery, with that same battery compartment. I think it's all the same. It looks the same. I don't see any differences. And then here's for the gas tank. Gas tank looks good too. That works actually. I actually don't know how this works. I locked it. Okay, I locked it. How do I unlock this? I think I broke it already. Maybe me messing with this is gonna help me figure out how to unlock the one on the bike, because I can't figure out. It says push lock. So I mean that has nothing to do with opening, right? I don't know, I think I broke it. We'll figure it out later. Alright guys, Pops had figured out how to get this key out after I messed it up and I thought I broke it, but I think he got it.
So right now it's locked in the bike. So when you turn, you open.
That echo though.
But this will not release the keys until you fill up the tank and you close back down the cover.
Alright, so show us the goods. How do we get the key out now?
So when you close down by the cover, obviously it is braced on the tank. So when it's braced on the tank, it flies and the keys come out.
There you go, magic. Thanks to Pops, he got this one figured out. May I get the key, please? Now that I got the other key out the way, then we can start working on everything else on the bike. So I'm probably gonna start from the back going forward, just because it's gonna be probably easier for me to do. Gonna swap over these two. There we go. Alright, that's back together there. Alright. Phillips goes in here. So I don't have to worry about that. That's snapped in, so that's good. I think this goes back here like that. Nice. I don't know where any of these things go. I'm coming, guys, I'm coming. I'm coming. Alright. But first we gotta take the old cylinder lock off so we can assemble everything else. Close the new lock in. Put the new plate in. Can actually just open this to hold it in place in the meantime. There you go. Now this goes onto that plate. The next part is this top plate here. And this key lock goes in here like that. like that. No, like this.
Yes, side.
And what
Yeah,
Honda did
Yeah.
is they used these security screws. And I'll put these in quotations. Anyways, just gonna finger tighten these, and then pliers, and just
Our vibration might drop out.
turn it in a little bit more. Alright, so that's one. Get the other one in there. Mostly assembled. Alright, got some 800 grit, and we're just gonna smooth down the area that Dad gave it a good couple of whacks at, and I gave it a couple of good whacks on the other side. Basically what we're doing here is just like deburring the edges so it goes on to the bar assembly. And we'll just give this a quick smooth. Good. Give your hand a good wipe. And let's try this again. Alright. But I think we're just both too excited. There we go. Washer, nut, 32mm. We're gonna do this at 15. So we have here 15 foot-pounds. And I'm pretty sure that's going to be absolutely nothing. It's going to immediately click, but there we go, just to be safe.
No, yeah, look at the one. You don't need this on here no more.
Alright.
Well, here, right?
And we still have light out, so we're kind of gonna gun it a little bit faster just to start her up and make it run. Cross pattern, probably safer. 2 ugga-duggas and you're good to go. We're gonna see what else goes where. So this is the ignition switch, Dad. This had actually went in here. I want to say here. All right. Go like this. Yeah. And this one goes like this. We got these two. We're gonna plug back in.
No, it stops in.
Kinda. It like fits.
It stops in though.
Next thing we got to do is the battery. Not, guys, this thing is lighter than the mallet. There's a battery in here, and I promise you, but it's lighter than the mallet. Moment of truth, Dad. Go ahead, see if it starts. Make sure it's not in gear. All right, keys on. Ooh, look at that. We got power. Shows that it's in neutral. Some lights just kicked on. All right, Dad, crank her over.